In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand a Notion second brain. A second brain in Notion is a simple system for capturing, organizing, and using information so your mind doesn't have to juggle everything. Think of it as an external memory you can search, connect, and reuse whenever you need it. At its core, your second brain helps you capture ideas, notes, links, and tasks, organize them so they're easy to retrieve, and turn that information into action, whether that means pushing a project forward, making a decision, or creating content. The shift is powerful. Instead of wondering where something is, you focus on what you're working on and what matters now. The foundation most people use is the PARA framework: projects, areas, resources, and archive. Projects are things with a clear goal and deadline, like launching a website, finishing a course, or building a content calendar. Areas are ongoing responsibilities without an end date, such as health, finances, work, or personal development. Resources are useful reference materials like articles, templates, tutorials, or inspiration. Archive is where completed or inactive items go, including finished projects, old notes, and past resources. This structure keeps Notion action-oriented and prevents clutter. Notion is a great fit because it relies on databases instead of traditional folders. You can relate pages, link ideas, and build views with filters and sorting. Automations and relations help everything stay connected rather than scattered across tools. What makes it work is the flow. Think flow, not perfection. Capture quickly into an inbox. Organize by sorting items into projects, areas, or resources. Use what you've collected to drive tasks, decisions, and content. Archive what's finished so your active workspace stays clean. If a piece of information doesn't support action or clarity, it's likely noise. A typical setup includes an inbox for quick capture, a projects database, an areas database, a resources or notes database, a dashboard for today's focus, and a weekly review system. You don't need everything on day one. You can layer these as you get comfortable. Common beginner mistakes include over-organizing, adding too many tags, saving everything just in case, and copying aesthetic templates without understanding the flow. Your second brain should reduce thinking, not add to it. To start, create OneNote's database, add a category property for project, area, or resource, build a simple dashboard view, and do a weekly review. That's enough to understand the system and see benefits quickly. You'll know it's working if you find things fast, feel less mental clutter, turn ideas into action, and review regularly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Notion tips and tutorials.